Hello, welcome back to another Tea Club video. My name is George and we're going to be tasting some sencha of the Gushing Brook today. We're going to be brewing the tea and we're going to see how it was farmed and processed as well. So I hope you really enjoy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the tea itself and we're going to inspect it a little bit. There's 5 grams in each packet, and as I'm looking at the leaf, it is a beautiful needle shape, and you can see in some of the footage that it is very finely rolled and a very beautiful spring tea from last year. So beautiful, beautiful leaf. So we're going to start brewing, and the first thing we have to do is we have to cool the water down a little bit. So I've got some hot water here and we're going to let that cool a little bit while we take a look into the field and the harvest of the tea itself.
Today we are harvesting now. Dash. We dash. Look. This is Fat Rush. Wow. Oh, lovely Fat Rush. Ooh, yeah. I get it.
Now we've seen how it was harvested, we're going to cool the water down further, and our goal is to have water that is not too hot to the hand. We want about 65 degrees Celsius water. So I'm going to pour from the kyusu into the cups, and each one of these cups is approximately 50 milliliters, which is the amount we want. I'm also going to take the leaf that we just opened, pour that into the pot, and this feels like a good temperature. So just smelling the leaf in the hot teapot, you get a really sweet aroma, really sweet. I can't emphasize that enough. So now the water has cooled enough, we're going to start brewing the tea. We're going to brew this tea for 90 seconds, and while we're brewing it, we're going to take a look at the first stages of processing as well. Okay, it's nearly time to pour, so please get ready to pour the tea, and we can see the leaf has started to open as well. As we're pouring, I will pour a little bit into each of these cups. This will make sure that we have an even brew for everybody. The aroma from the leaf, straight from the pot after pouring, really smells like the steaming process. You can smell the sweet and vegetal aromas coming from the steaming machine. So try and imagine you're here when you're seeing the steaming process as well. Delicious. Brewing at this lower temperature to begin with means that we get a lot of sweeter, more umami flavors coming out. But for our second infusion, we're going to brew a little bit hotter, and we're going to try and get some other flavors coming out too. For the second infusion, we want to use water that's about 85 degrees Celsius, and this is a little bit too hot to touch for our hands on the teapot. Then we can pour the water straight onto the leaves and let it brew for 15 seconds. During this time, it's going to get a lot more of the balanced flavors coming out as we're increasing that temperature a little bit. We're ready to pour the tea. We don't want to overbrew it as it's much hotter, and this will brew the tea faster as well. And since it's already had one infusion, the size of the leaf, the surface area, is much larger, so it infuses quicker because of that too. So that's just something to bear in mind, to be careful of when doing the second infusion. Wow, so that has more strength to it, a little bit more bitterness, but a little bit more sweetness as well, I think. So it's a really well balanced flavor profile all around. It's a really popular tea amongst all the staff members as it's such a well balanced and delicious tea. Thank you very much for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like some more, we have some other videos that came out with this Tea Club shipment as well, and you will find them linked in the bio below. And also a special thank you to all of our Tea Club members whom without we wouldn't be able to do most of the things we're able to do at Abubu, which is definitely including bringing videos like this and showing you how we produce our delicious teas. So thank you to them, a big thank you to them, and if you're interested in finding out more about this, then please follow the links below and you can see a little bit more about our Tea Club. So hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, it helps a lot. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye!
Let's enjoy getting rock! Oh yeah!